Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Today I'm going to be showing you short patching twist with a Lulutress patching twist hair. It was already twisted. I just unraveled it and used it as is. So you want to take sections, so create your parts and section it off and box it. And I used a rubber band to secure my hair in place. Then I just grabbed my crochet hook and went through my hair underneath the rubber band, and I pulled the crochet hair through. With passion twist hair, you have to make sure it's in the right direction because it will look a little weird if you don't have it in the right correct twist form pattern that it already comes in. Like, share, and subscribe. At the end, you will put a rubber band on the end of your passion twist hair to secure the twist in place, and then cut it. see that my hair is sticking out of the passion twist. We don't want that. So we need to create, unravel it and put some shining jam to slick the hair down and then twist. Like, share, and subscribe. Gonna finish up my hair and show you the rest and come back. To keep this hair intact, I just use the bonnet or a scarf and make sure I just oil my scalp when needed. And that's it. And I wore it about 2 weeks. I really enjoyed this hairstyle. If you like it, you should try it. And please like, share, and subscribe, and comment what you would like to see next.